Quality of life depends upon well-being of mind and body of humans. Just like humans, smartphones also have mind which controls the actions of body. So Huawei introduced their new operating system, that is EMUI 9.1, which controls the following actions with some brilliant features. So let's talk about those brilliant features. Number one, EROFS file system, which enhance the overall performance and speed of the device by giving you 20% extra speed and almost 2 GB extra space than the previous generations. Performance and speed normally comes by consuming extra power, but GPU Turbo 3.0 reduces SoC power consumption by 10% without compromising your gaming experience in 25 most important Android games. A powerful OS should be easy to use and understand. Huawei redesigned the applications like Gallery, Clock in a new unified design by putting the option at the bottom of the device for easy access by a single hand. A user uses navigation options every now and then. Here we can select the navigation style of our choice from wall gestures, traditional 3-button style, or with new navigation dock with redefined settings in a customized way to give quick and easy user experience. The intelligent and innovative AR measure application can measure height of a person, area, length and volume of any object in Huawei devices. Another intelligent application, High Vision, gets information from barcode, identify objects, provide shopping guide and translates. You can also hold 2 fingers on any picture and Huawei High Touch will tell you about the pictures along with the place from where you can purchase it. After knowing all these features, if you are planning to buy a Huawei phone, then phone clone applications will let you transfer your data from your old device. Just tap on your Huawei laptop for sending files through one hop in seconds. Just press the power button for a second to activate your personal assistant. Wireless projection, you can connect your device to the second screen. As it is hard to remember every user ID and password, so Password Vault can store all of your usernames and password with autofill options. Moments with your loved ones are the essential part of your quality life, so Vlog and highlight option along with AI technology automatically make separate videos for each person with stunning special effects. You can share these moments in form of videos by a simple click. All these features of Huawei EMUI 9.1 improves actions and enable the quality in your life. So rewrite seeing action in your life.